Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making a no-sew pillow using this fabric roll that I got from the Dollarama. It was $3. It's a little brownish color. I really like it. I like the color because this is almost the color of my armchairs, and I wanted to make them for my armchairs. So this is the size that I'll probably, I want to have it as this size. I made this pillow too, you guys. This is a no-sew pillow, and I made it out of a throw from IKEA that I got on sale. So yeah, and I'm going to show you what I will be using for this. I'm using this as my stencil, as my guide to show me like the size, kind of what I want. This I got from the Dollarama. And glue sticks. I will be using chalk because you can use a pencil, marker, whatever you feel like, and glue gun. Of course, you'll need your scissors to cut around the edges as to the size that you like. So first thing that I will do is I need to see how much fabric it has in there. It says, no, I can't understand this. 17.7 inches by 6.5. Guys, I can't understand this. This is not for me. Okay, so I think, oh, look how smart this is. Look at this. That could be one pillow. If I just rolled it over like this could be one pillow. And let's go back and forward again. Oh my god. So I don't need this. Hello. So yeah. So I can just make 2 pillows out of this. Hey. Shoot. Sorry guys. I'm gonna show you guys this after I'm done this. I made this, but I lost the video footage, but I wanted to show you guys what I made. So this is just about 2 pillows, depending on the size that you like, but I'm going to just make it into 2 pillows and just like, you just want to get 4 equal sides. So this little piece, I'm just going to cut it off. But here we go. So this is 2 pillows. Okay, so I'm going to the middle here, which will separate the 2 pillows. There we go. So now we have 2 separate pillows. This here. So let's just fold this over. We're gonna get the inside of it, which is the wrong side of it. Fold it in half. Just gonna use my glue gun, and I'm just gonna run just the smallest, like the thinnest line of glue, because I don't want it to like be everywhere. So just the thinnest line of glue, just like that, and you just press it down like this. Yeah, so here we go guys. I'm just gonna open it up for you. La 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 la. So these are the perfect size cushions. Oh my god, I love the size. I love big cushions, like pillows. I love big pillows, but these are good. So let me show you guys how it came out. So this is what it looks like here. It looks like a real stitch, and I'm really tugging onto it and it's not coming up. So So you guys, this is it. I'm using this pillow from Walmart. I got it for $3. And I'm gonna use it as a filler. That's what I'm using. So let me show you guys how I close this up. The first thing that I do is I'm gonna take this end and close it in like that, so that I have like it's kind of like wrapping a gift, if that helps. So I'm gonna fold it off the whole, and I'm gonna put a little bit of glue, stick it here, and I'm gonna do a little part at a time. Okay, so let's do this slowly. So just grab some glue here, just put a dollop, like just a little bit, and just fold it over like this. Okay, so since this part is already dried, I'm gonna like this. Okay, I'm gonna grab the glue, just put a little bit here, and just fold it over here like so. It's hot. Okay, so here we go. Finished product here. Let me show you guys. It's a really pretty cushion actually. Oh, pillow. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And it's really fluffy. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, let me just show you guys this DIY. So, here we go. This is the finished product. Sorry I didn't show you guys. I'm so excited to show you this. I really love this. I don't know why. But here it is. No sew pillow. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this one. And yeah. So guys, I went to the Dollar Tree and I'll show you guys. And I got these plates. You know, like if you've been to the Dollar Tree, you've seen this. These plates. And I'm like, what can I do with this? It's so pretty. I like the lines on there. Like it has these ripples and it has this beautiful like shape on the edge. I think that's a scallop edge. But I got 3 of them. And I put one at the bottom. Just like this. And I placed another one upwards on the bottom, like on the top edge of, on the rim of this, and I just covered it with that like this, and I just blinged it out with bling wrap on the edges, and I added some gemstones in the corner here. You guys, this is so cute. I also added some gems just to open and close. And you know what I put in here? I put some cookies, or I put first I had my apples in there and I had it opened, but then I decided to close it and add some cookies. So cute. And I feel like it's really creative, this thing. I like the color of it. I really like this plastic acrylic, and yeah, love it. So this is what the gems look like at the top. I just placed them in a way that I could hold on to it, and you guys know I live for the hot glue, so this is what I use for this whole project. And yeah, so this was really cool. I'm so mad I lost the footage because it was so much fun to make, because I was trying to figure out what to do with this. But yeah, This is pretty cool. So back to my pillows, you guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this tutorial that I created, or this no-sew pillow that I created, you guys. And thank you very much again for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like this video, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you very much for watching. Have a good one, you guys. I will see you in my next video, which might be later on this week. I think from now on I'm gonna upload 2 videos a week. I'm not sure of the days yet, but let me know what you guys want to see with me. Like clean with me, clean my house with me, you guys. I need some motivation to clean my house. I need some motivation. I really need some motivation to clean my house. It is not like it's really dirty, it's just like I need to do it every day. I just love a clean house, and I really like all the lines are showing. I like the clean lines, and I just love it. Everything tidied up. So let me know if you guys want to see that. And I feel like I'm talking forever. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. See you later.